The question is write a program using pointer to read an array of n elements and print all the elements of array in a reverse order. This question is very similar to previous question. So we just have to paste this code as in previous question. In a previous question, we have already printed the elements of array. So now we just have to reverse the array of an element by writing here I is equal n, I greater than 0 and I minus minus. Now let's see the output. Control F9. Enter number of elements 3. Enter first element 65. Enter second element 87 and enter third element 43.